Hey guys, welcome to this Oland's Someday collection review. So I'm going to be showing you all three colors in this collection close up and in detail. I am slowly working my way through like every collection that Oland's offers. So this first color is called Someday Choco. Okay, you guys, this color is just so dark. So if you're looking for lenses that are actually going to darken your eyes, you're going to love this Someday Choco. It's true to its name. It just makes you look like you have like super chocolate brown eyes. I could barely see the patterning of these lenses or how they're designed until I really stuck my eye like right in the ring light. And from what I can see, the center's mostly untouched. It's my iris that shines through, and then it's just around the edge that it's like this really deep dark chocolate brown color, and it almost looks like an asymmetrical style limbal ring. So I like that part of the design. I just wish that it was a little bit lighter. So again, if you're looking for really dark lenses, these would be for you. Next is this Someday Gray. And these are a really pretty pair of dreamy blue-gray lenses. And I want to say that when I slip these in person, you can definitely see from a talking distance that these lenses make your eyes look gray. So if you're wanting something a little bit more than subtle, you're going to love these lenses. Also, no bug eye effect. As you can see, it's a larger pupil hole design, iris style lens. So no crooked eye look with these lenses. Also, I apologize for the redness in my left eye. I was filming several collections this day, so my eyes just got really irritated. I love the baby blue-gray color. They really do show up in person, and then it's a larger graphic diameter as well, so they're going to make your eyes look rounder and larger. And then I love the patterning. Look at the patterning. It's so pretty. It's like very subtle streaks and striations to mimic an iris. So loving these gray lenses. And last, I think is my favorite. These are Someday Brown. These are such a gorgeous golden honey brown color. They're light, so they give you the glowy eye look. They have a slightly larger graphic diameter. This whole line does. So again, they make my eyes look larger. But I am just obsessed with how gorgeous these look up close. When you see the light shining in the patterning, it's beautiful. And they blend very well with my medium brown eyes. So I think you can wear these if you have either dark or medium brown eyes. They're gonna look amazing. When you come up close, you can see that my eye blends perfectly into the lens. It like melts into the lens, and there's beautiful streaks and striations. And what they actually did is they broke up the opacity around the outside, so like there's some parts of the lens where it's my actual iris popping through, and then it's the color, and they just alternate it that way. And overall, it just makes this gorgeous starburst pattern that looks multi-dimensional and gives a lot of depth and dimension. Loving the color and patterning of these lenses. And again, if you liked the Halo Amber from Color CL or something like the Spanish Real Brown, you would love this Someday Hazel. What do you guys think of this collection? I think this is a collection to definitely take note of. It's one of Oland's hidden collections, I would say. And what's your favorite color? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!